Hello guys, welcome to MCQ Biology. This is Biological Classification MCQs Part 3. Let's get started. Refrigeration prevents food from spoilage by fungus, bacteria, both, none of these. Correct answer is both, which is not a correct matching. Rust, Puccinia, yeast, bread and beer, chrysophyte, diatomaceous earth, Penicillium red tide. Correct answer is Penicillium red tide. If hyphae are continuous tube filled with multinucleated cytoplasm, it is known as septate hyphae, coenocytic hyphae, mycelium, none of these. Correct answer is coenocytic hyphae. Vegetative reproduction in fungus takes place by fragmentation, fission, budding, all of these. Correct answer is all of these. Asexual reproduction in fungus occurs by spores known as Coinidia, sporangiospores, zoospores, any of the above. Correct answer is D, any of the above. Sexual reproduction in fungus is by oospores, ascospores, basidospores, any of the above. Correct answer is any of the above. Dikaryon and dikaryophase is seen in the case of Ascomycetes, Basidomycetes, Phycomycetes, both A and B. Correct answer is both A and B. The kingdom fungi is divided into various classes on the basis of morphology of mycelium, mode of spore formation, type of fruiting bodies, all of these. Correct answer is all of these. Habitats of Phycomycetes are aquatic, decaying wood in moist and damp place, obligate parasite in plant, all of these. Correct answer is all of these. Endogenously produced spores are found in all except mushroom, mucor, albugo, rhizopus. Correct answer is mushroom. Ascomycetes are mostly acellular, unicellular, multicellular, all of these. Correct answer is multicellular. Unicellular Ascomycetes is Penicillium, Alternaria, Saccharomyces or yeast, Agaricus. Correct answer is Saccharomyces yeast. Which of the following is extensively used in biochemical and genetic work? Aspergillus, Claviceps, Neurospora, Penicillium. Correct answer is Neurospora. The commonly known form of Basidomycetes are mushrooms, bracket fungi, puffballs, all. Correct answer is all. Karyogamy and meiosis occurs in Basidium produces dash basidiospores. 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct answer is 4. So it produces 4 basidiospores. Basidiospores are produced on Basidium endogenously, exogenously, both A and B, none of these. Correct answer is exogenously. Find out the correct matching. Eustilago smut, Puccinia rust, Agaricus mushroom. D, all are correct. Correct answer is all are correct. D is the correct option. Which of the following fungi only produce bisexual spores conidia? Alternaria, Colatotrichum, Trichoderma, all of this. Correct answer is all of these. Deuteromycetes are known as imperfect fungi because only sexual phase is found. Only asexual or vegetative phase are known. Both asexual and sexual phase are known. Reproduction in this fungi is absent. Correct answer is only asexual or vegetative phase are known. Many members of DAS class are decomposers of litter and help in mineral cycling. Ascomycetes, Deuteromycetes, Basidiomycetes, Phycomycetes. Correct answer is Deuteromycetes. Which of the following are examples of insectivorous plants? Bladderwort, Venus flytrap, Cuscuta, and or both A and B. Correct answer is D, both A and B. Kingdom Plantae include algae and bryophytes, pteridophytes and gymnosperms, angiosperms, all of this. Correct answer is all of this. Plant cells have all except chloroplast, cellulosic cell wall, large vacuole, centriole. Correct answer is centriole. Alteration of generation is seen in all except Fucus, Sphagnum, Equisetum, Alternaria. Correct answer is Alternaria. Subscribe the channel and follow us on Instagram. Search MCQ Biology. Thank you. Good luck.